Hey guys, welcome back to Priya's Hacks. Hope you all are doing well. I know my face is looking a bit dull. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I'm not feeling well for quite some time. And many of you have asked questions about my health, like what's going on with me and things like that. First of all, thank you for your concerns. What's going on with me is I'm experiencing chronic back pain for about 3 years now. Some days it is better and some days it is worse. It is difficult for me to predict how I may feel on a particular day. So that's what's going on with me. I'm planning to make a video about my condition, not just because you guys have asked for it, but because I feel that someone out there may be experiencing the same thing that I am, and someone can relate to my condition, and my experiences can be helpful for them. So that is why I'm planning to make a video about my condition. Today I'm going to share my views and my reviews about an absolutely amazing product. This is from the brand called Carmesi. These are all natural sanitary pads. These are natural because these are made with corn starch and bamboo fiber. These are chlorine free, paraben free and toxin free. I have already made a video about menstrual products that are available in India. Some of the menstrual products different options that are available in India. I will link that video up here in I button. Just click on the I button and you can watch that video. In that video, I have mentioned that sanitary napkins are not 100% safe for us because while manufacturing sanitary napkins, they bleach the cotton and they use a lot of chemicals during that process, and also manufacturers use different kinds of adhesives and also plastic and different kind of chemicals in the case of ultra thin sanitary napkins. So those are not completely safe for us, and also those are not eco-friendly because normal sanitary napkins are not biodegradable. So what they generally do at dumping yards is they just burn the sanitary napkins, and that process releases so many toxic gases into the air. So it is also not good. In that video, I have mentioned different alternate options for sanitary napkins. First one being the tampons. Tampons we use that are available in India are not completely chemical free. Those are also exactly like sanitary napkins. So those are not toxin free and chemical free. But I have also mentioned about menstrual cups, cloth napkins and period panties, which are safer options than sanitary napkins. But the thing with menstrual cups is you have to insert the product inside your body, inside your vagina, which many people will not be comfortable with at all. People don't like to insert something inside their body. So I have mentioned other two options, which are being cloth napkins and period panties. Those are safer options and those are actually organic and natural options. But the thing with cloth napkins and period panties is you can't use them while you're in public. If you have to change your cloth napkin or period panty while you're in public restroom, you can't wash them immediately, or you can't throw them either. So that is actually kind of disadvantage with those cloth napkins and period panties. Also, some people are not comfortable washing the products that they use for period flow. So those are some disadvantages of period panties and cloth napkins. But when it comes to the natural sanitary napkins, these are just like any other regular sanitary pads that you use. The only thing is these are far more safer than those. I have stopped using sanitary napkins for a long time. I stopped using sanitary napkins and I started menstrual cups. The reason being, sanitary napkins used to cause me rashes, irritation, and and that uncomfortable feeling and all those things. So that is why I stopped using sanitary napkins, and the main reason being that they use a lot of chemicals while manufacturing that, and I started using menstrual cups. But when I came across this product, I really felt that I have to try this, because we don't have much more organic and all natural sanitary products available in India. While in Western countries they have so many options out there. They have organic natural sanitary napkins, and they have natural tampons and all kind of things, but we don't have those. But when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is awesome and I have to try this. So I bought this from the brand's website itself, from Carmesi's website itself, but these are also available on Nykaa.com. Not only this brand, but there are a few brands out there which make all natural this kind of sanitary products. So when you go online on Nykaa's website, you can find different options. Not only Nykaa's website, I think they are available on other online platforms also, but I don't know, but I'm not sure about that. The only disadvantage with these kind of products is that these are a little bit expensive than our regular sanitary products. For example, I have this box which contains 30 pads, 15 pads being XL and 15 pads being regular, and those retail for 749 rupees, which is definitely expensive. And also I have the Carmesi panty liners. These 20 pieces, this box contains 20 pieces, and they retail for 149 rupees. So as I told you, these are a little bit expensive than our regular sanitary products, but these are also safer than those. And when it comes to packaging, it comes in a cardboard box like this, which is biodegradable. And also they have mentioned that these products don't contain any harmful chemicals, any toxins, or any synthetics. And these are rash free, super soft and incredibly thin. Yes, these are ultra thin napkins. And if you open the box, there is something written here, written inside, which says why we are called Carmesi. Carmesi means crimson, the color of blood, because menstruation isn't a bad word and women don't bleed blue. Take pride in your body, period. I was very impressed by this, because we generally don't talk about menstruation and menstrual products in India, and seeing this kind of statement, I was really impressed. So when you open this, these are the pads. Each individual pad comes in individual bag. This is also a biodegradable bag. This black label indicates that this is XL, and this white label indicates that this is a regular pad. So I have 15 XL and 15 regular pads. I have used these products for past 2 period cycles. I didn't use my menstrual cup because I wanted to see how these perform. I wanted to give them a chance, a fair chance. I wanted to test these through and through, so I didn't use menstrual cup. And let me tell you, these are amazing. These felt so soft, and also they didn't cause me any rashes, any irritation, any itchiness, and any those sort of. And also these perform just exactly as any other regular sanitary napkin, so there is no issue with performance, and these felt better than regular napkins, so that is amazing. And the thing with regular napkins is, since they use so many chemicals in manufacturing those regular sanitary napkins, those make our period flow smell much more bad than it actually smells. But these don't do that thing, and these don't cause any foul smell. Since I stopped using sanitary napkins for a long period of time, I was actually skeptic about using these products, about using these pads, and I wasn't sure that these will be good and these will be any different from other napkins, but these are better than those. If you feel like you can spend this kind of money on sanitary napkins, I mean, I have mentioned that these are pricier than our regular sanitary napkins. If you feel that you can spend that amount of money on something much safer than regular sanitary napkins, then definitely go for it. Because as I mentioned, not many people are comfortable using menstrual cup because it is safer, and not many people are comfortable using cloth napkins and period panties either. But we have been using sanitary napkins all our lives. But I'll suggest you not to buy the bulkier package initially, because you may like it or you may not like it, so it is up to your personal experience. So do not purchase a bulky package, just try a small package. I think they have a pack of 10 or 7 sanitary napkins which retails for 200 rupees. I actually don't remember all the prices and everything, but I will definitely insert a screenshot at the end of the video. And I will also provide links to the website. By the way, the website address for Carmacy's own website is www.mycarmacy.com, and as I mentioned you can also purchase these from Nykaa.com. So yeah, definitely give these a try because I absolutely love these. That is why I am making this video. And as I mentioned, this is not the only company, this is not the only brand that produces these kind of sanitary napkins. There are other brands also. So choose one and try, and I think you will definitely like. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and share this video with as many friends as possible, as many family members as possible, because every girl out there need to know about products like this. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.